So you can see that the price is about to hit our TP1. So which if the price should hit the TP1, I will just set my stop loss at break even, then allow the trade to play out. Okay. Alright guys, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're good. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the easiest way to trade breakout. Okay, when you are trading maybe breakout of from a support or a structure or a channel or any pattern at all. Okay, so I'm going to be using this live trading example. Okay, so to share with you this particular breakout strategy. Okay, now if you look at I made my entry already, which you can see at the close of this candlestick right there. Okay, and the price is actually pushing to my direction. Look at my TP. I have my TP1 right here. Okay, and I have my TP2 right here. So I have this swing high. I also have another swing high which the price can equally respect, okay, or react to. So I have 1:1 and I have 1:3 here. Okay, 1:1 and 1:3. So that's exactly my risk management on this trade. Okay, so why is it that I entered this particular trade right here? What actually happened? Okay, so we go from a higher time frame, like 4 hours time frame. Okay, so if you look, this is a complete downtrending market. Okay, so as you can see that this price is actually pushing to the downside. We are having something like which you can equally refer to as the a potential double top. Okay, but that's the major thing is for us to identify trend on a higher time frame like 1 hour or 4 hours. Okay, then coming down to 15 minutes time frame, all we need to start looking for is entries on 15 minutes time frame, which is the lower time frame. Okay, so what I need to do is to mark out my levels, or if I have any support and resistance level or something I might be looking out, watching out for a breakout or something like that. That's exactly what I'm going to be doing. But for now, what I have here, okay, apart from this level which we have seen right here, okay, this is a level right here, I'm also having a good counter trend which you can just connect these lows. Okay, you have this particular low 1, you have this low 2. Okay, after that, if you zoom in a bit, okay, you are going to see other lows which you can connect this particular a trend line or channel. Okay, so let me use a channel, okay, to connect this. So I can connect from here. So I have sorry, let me delete this trend line, this one. Okay, so I can connect from this point, which is exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to get this channel at the right place. Okay, so I have my channel line here. I think I need to use trend line instead of this channel. Okay, so let me use trend line. I have this line to the, you can see here, if I zoom in, you're going to see that the line is actually connecting this, okay, and at this point, right? Then you also have another trend line that you're supposed to also draw, which we connect this low, okay, and this, which is the next level. You can see where I set my TP level, how accurate the TP level is. Okay, because the even if the price is going to respect the trend line, it's still going to hit my TP, okay, at this point before you respect this trend line, also to the upside. So even if the price is going to reverse at trend line, it will still hit my TP. And this is another level where I set my TP. So I have like two confluences that can actually attract this price to this level before the price start reversing to the upside. So my TP is safe. That is my TP2. Probably I'm going to hit TP2 possibly. Okay, but the major thing is my TP1, which is 1:1. Once I hit 1:1, I will break even. Okay, so from here you can see I have this trend line here. So what am I looking for? When you have a trend line, okay, when you have a trend line or a channel, channel like this, okay, all you're going to be looking for is a breakout, right? You are looking for a breakout to the downside. Now, do you just enter once the price breakout from a channel? What are you looking for? Which kind of candlestick do you want to break that particular level? Maybe support, resistance, trend lines, chart patterns, which I'm going to share with you. Maybe one more example, maybe using chart pattern. Okay, so as you can see, this ascending channel, the price, this particular candlestick right here, you can see this candlestick right here, was the candle that breaks the uh this ascending channel. Okay, that is a bearish engulfing candlestick. You can see that that particular candle engulfs the previous one. Okay, it's just showing you the bearish power right there. The candlestick that breaks the pattern or trend line or channel is actually a bearish engulfing. So the what you are looking for, okay, whenever you are waiting for a breakout from a channel, okay, like this ascending channel like this, you need a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay, when you are waiting for or looking for a break, okay, from descending channel like this, okay, if the price is pushing all the way to the downside and you're waiting for a break, you want to see a strong, okay, bullish engulfing candle that will break this channel this way. So once you see that, you are going to be making your entry. Okay, you don't necessarily want to wait for a retest before you buy. Once the candle that breaks it is a bullish engulfing for descending channel like this, you should make entry. You can see how my perfect my entry is, and the price is actually pushing all the way to my TP level. Okay, so this is very simple, guys. You just want to see a break. So let's just see if you can get any example right here, guys. We can still check to see some examples of this. Okay, let's look for bullish example. Okay, so let's see if you can get any bullish example right here. Okay, so from here you can see that the price is, I'm trying to get a bullish example. From here you can see that the price is dropping to the downside. Okay, you connect the highs and the lows. Okay, so you have something like this. I'm just using the channel for this particular example. Okay, so this is it. So you can still pick and draw this channel to the downside this way also. Okay, so if you have this, you are waiting for a break. Okay, this is descending channel. So at the break of this, remember this is the touches. We have this touch, we have this touch, and this is the third touch right here. Okay, so at that third touch, which particular candle actually breaks it? The candle that breaks it is the very good bullish engulfing candlestick. Okay, once you see this kind of strong candlestick breaking a particular pattern, you make your entry. So we can still check back and see if we can get more examples of this, maybe using another uh pattern, maybe just normal chart pattern. Okay, so this is head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so I think I made a mistake in drawing. From here you have this, have the head, and you have the shoulder. Okay, so if you look from here and we check, okay, from this edge, you want to see which particular pattern breaks this shoulder right here. Okay, if you want to make that entry, if you want to make entry at that zone, you look at the kind of candlestick that closes or break that shoulder at this point. You can see this, that's for this one is momentum candlestick, which I'm going to create a video about it. Okay, but I want you to just focus on, make sure that every break, okay, if you are trading breakouts, make sure that the breakouts happen with good engulfing candlestick pattern, either bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing, depending on the direction. Okay, this one is the momentum candlestick, so we are not using this for example, but I'm just trying to share with you maybe randomly chart pattern example. Okay, so I hope this particular video is helpful. Just you identify a pattern and wait for the pattern to be broken. Okay, and the breakout should happen with an engulfing candlestick pattern, either bearish engulfing or bullish engulfing. Okay, so once you see that, you place your trade. Okay, set your stop loss like here. After that breakout, you enter your trade here. Stop loss should be below here. Your TP should be times 2 or times 3, just like what I have here. Okay, but because of my risk management, I want to go from 1:1. Okay, which the price is about to hit my 1:1 right now. So I have 1:1 here. Okay, then I have 1:3 down here. So once the price hits my 1:1, okay, I'm going to shift my stop loss to my entry, and I will target the whole profit. Okay, so this is simple. It's something you can do. Just pick out, I'm using a live trading example. Okay, just mark your pattern, allow the price to be broken by an engulfing candlestick pattern, then place your trade, set your stop loss at the recent swing high or swing low. Okay, your TP should be times 2, times 3, or times 4, guys. Okay,